Class 10 Economics, Chapter 3 Money and Credit, Part 3. In our previous video, we have learned modern forms of money as currency and deposits with banks. Today, we are going to learn loan activities of banks and two different credit situations. We have seen the bank receive money from depositors, means public, and keep 15% of their deposits to maintain withdraw money by the depositors. Rest money bank use to provide loan to the borrower. The difference between the rate of interest paid by bank to depositors and taken higher rate of interest from borrowers is the source of income of the banks. Let us see two different credit situations. Credit means loan refers to an agreement in which the lender supplies the borrowers with money, goods, or services. In return, borrower promises to pay the lender in future. Now, let us see how credit works. Credit plays positive role and negative role both. As for example, Salim obtained credit to meet the working capital needs of production of shoes. The credit helps him to complete the production on time. He increased his earning by selling shoes and returned his loan. In this case, the borrower is able to return the loan amount on time and also made some profit with the use of that money. So, in this situation, credit plays positive role. In other situation, when farmers take crop loan at beginning of the season and repay the loan after harvest. If the crop failed, then the failure of crop made loan repayment impossible. In this situation, credit is very painful as it pushes the borrower into debt trap. Let us see terms of credit. Interest rate, collateral, documentation required, and mode of payment is called terms of credit. Let us see what is collateral. Collateral is an asset that the borrower owns, such as land, building, vehicle, livestock, deposits with bank, and uses this as a guarantee to the lender until the loan is repaid. Collateral means security against loan. Terms of credit vary in different arrangements. People take credit from different sources, which can be grouped into two: formal sector loans and informal sector loans. Formal sector credit sources include bank and cooperatives. They charge less rate of interest in comparison to that of informal sector loan. Thus, the cost of borrowing is less in this situation. In the next video, we will learn more about formal sector loan and informal sector loan. Thanks.